Hello guys, ang question 239 plus 50. So, gagawin ni Sabrina yung sagot. Paano siya gawin? Okay, ate gawin mo na. 239 plus 50.
So this is just an example.
Okay, you go na Sabrina.
9 plus 0 equals 9.
Hindi, use the abacus Sabrina.
Okay.
239
So
139
9
plus
plus 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here,
oh, how?
zero.
What the answer? What the answer Sabrina?
First,
Read the abacus.
200 and let's count these. 1, 2,
No, 1, 10, 20. 10, 20.
280 and then 9. 289.
Oh, 289. Okay, sulat mo. What the answer?
289.
289. Ito mga itong pen natin.